Hi folks, I would like to welcome you to my channel, and today's topic is about understanding the top 10 easy and delicious dinner recipes. Before we start, do not forget to subscribe or click on the bell icon to stay informed with regular updates. Here are 10 easy and delicious dinner recipes that you can prepare quickly. 1. Sheet pan chicken and vegetables. Place chicken breasts or thighs on a baking sheet with your choice of vegetables, such as broccoli, bell peppers, and carrots. Drizzle with olive oil, season with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs or spices. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 20-25 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. 2. Pasta. Primavera. Cook your favorite pasta according to instructions. In a skillet, sauté chopped vegetables such as bell peppers, zucchini, cherry tomatoes, in olive oil until tender. Toss the cooked pasta with the sautéed vegetables, a splash of pasta water, grated Parmesan cheese, and fresh herbs. 3. Stir-fried shrimp and vegetables. Heat oil in a skillet over high heat. Add shrimp and stir-fry until pink or cooked through. Add sliced vegetables and stir-fry until tender. Season with soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and a splash of rice vinegar. 4. Quesadillas. Heat a tortilla in a skillet over medium heat. Sprinkle 1/2 of the tortilla with shredded cheese and your choice of filling, such as cooked chicken, beans, peppers, and onion. Fold the tortilla in half and cook until golden brown on both sides. Serve with salsa, guacamole, and sour cream. 5. One-pot chicken and rice. In a large pot, sauté diced chicken breast in oil until browned. Add chopped vegetables such as onions, carrots, and celery, while cook until softened. Stir in rice, chicken, and your favorite seasonings. Simmer until the rice is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. 6. Caprese salad. Slice ripe tomatoes and fresh mozzarella cheese. Arrange the tomato and mozzarella slices on a plate by alternating them. Drizzle with balsamic glaze, olive oil, and sprinkle with fresh basil leaves. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 7. Grilled cheese and tomato soup. Make a classic grilled cheese sandwich with your favorite bread and cheese. Serve with a side of tomato soup for dipping. 8. Taco salad. Brown ground beef in a skillet with taco seasoning. Serve the cooked meat over a bed of lettuce and top with your favorite taco toppings, such as cheese, salsa, avocado, and crushed tortilla chips. Drizzle with sour cream or ranch dressing. 9. Vegetable fried rice. Cook rice according to instructions and let it cool. In a large skillet, scramble eggs and set aside. Sauté diced vegetables, such as carrot, peas, corn, and green onion, in oil until tender. Add the cooked rice, scrambled eggs, soy sauce, and sesame oil to the skillet. Cook until heated through. Lastly, Mediterranean hummus plate. Arrange a variety of Mediterranean-inspired ingredients on a plate, such as hummus, olives, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, and pita bread. Serve with a side of tzatziki sauce or Greek yogurt for dipping. These recipes are quick, easy to make, and perfect for busy days when you want a delicious dinner without spending hours in the kitchen. Feel free to customize them with your favorite ingredients and flavors. If you have any suggestions in terms of the type of videos that I should talk about, then please do share it on the comments section. In the meantime, see you folks on the next video.